All right, here we are still working on inclined solids, and here is the problem that I want us to work on. This is the front elevation of a square pyramid, that is, which side is inclined at an angle to the horizontal. So this angle is actually angle 60 degree, and this angle is angle 45 degrees. So I believe you can construct this. So what you just want to do here is that when a solid is inclined to a particular plane, what will be the nature of the front elevation, the plan, or the end elevation, depending on the view that is inclined to a particular plane. So here we have the front elevation of a square pyramid that is inclined at an angle to the horizontal. So now I want to see the nature or how the plan will look and how the end elevation will look. Okay, if you are watching my video for the first time on YouTube, you are welcome. This is Grace Tutor, and what I do here is that I solve technical drawing problems, and I also provide necessary information that are important for you to do well in your technical drawing examinations. So I want to urge you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and when you subscribe, put on notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified, and help me to share my videos with your friends who are also technical drawing students. And don't forget to practice. When it's come to a subject like this, which is a practical subject, you need to practice it so that you can master it as I also mastered it. So let's look at how we can solve this problem. Now, we are going to start with the plan. So we are going to project a line from this point. So project a line from this point down. Okay, the line is not showing. Okay, then from this point, so we also draw a line from this point, and from this point, which is the apex of the pyramid, so we also project a line down here. All right, so the next thing that we are going to do is that if you look at this, this is the base. This is the base of the pyramid where we have the square on its base. So I'm going to move up a little bit, and I will draw the horizontal line like this from here to here. So distance from here to here, that's what we have in the base here as, okay, so that is how it's going to look. So the distance from here to here is going to look like this on the base. Then we are going to take a measurement. So distance from here to here, so when we are looking at it in this direction, it's going to be the distance from here to here on this part of the base. So the distance that I took from here to here is 40 millimeters. So this is 40 millimeters. So I will take a measurement of 40 millimeters. So this is 40 millimeters. So I will take a measurement of 40 millimeters from here to here, and I will also draw a horizontal line. So I'll draw a horizontal line from here to here. Okay, then this apex, so where can we locate it around here? So it will be half of this. So divide this 40 by 2, that is 20. So just mark it here. So we have this point. Then I'm going to join. So this point, when I'm looking at it downward, this is the plan. So when I'm looking at it downward, I will see a line, this line, and I will see one here, and I will see one on the other side. Let me sketch something that you can see to understand what I'm explaining. All right, so this is it. So this is the square pyramid. This is the solid one. So this is the front elevation that we have here. So now, so when I'm looking at it downward in this direction, I will see this line, and I will see this line. So I will see these two lines, and also this line, I will see it, and there's another line on the other side. I will see the 4 lines. So that is what I'm going to do now. So from this point, from this point here, I will draw a line. So join this point together with this, and this point also will be joined together with this point. So this point will also be joined with this, and this point also, so we also join it together to this point. All right, so then I make this line. So this line will be a thick line. So this line will also be a thick line. So this line will be a thick line, and this line will be hidden from us, so we are not going to make that. So this is how the plan will look like. So the next thing that we are going to do is to draw the end elevation. So we want to draw the end elevation. So from here, so we draw the horizontal line to this side, and from this point we also draw horizontal line to this side, and here also I will draw this line to this side. So with my 45-degree set square, at this point, so I will draw an inclined line. Then I will draw a vertical line. So from this point also, okay, so I still need to draw a horizontal line from here. So I will draw a horizontal line from here to here. Then this line also, I will draw a horizontal line from this point like this. Okay, so having done this, so the next thing I'm going to do is that I will draw, so this line is for the side, so I will draw a line from here to here. So it will touch this, it will stop there, because this is the base. So this line come out from the base. So when it touch this line that will produce from this base, we will stop it there. Then this line also, from this point, I will also draw a vertical line. So don't forget that this also come out from the base. Then for this one, just for me to get the apex of the pyramid here, so this is the point. I'll just mark it. I'm not going to draw a vertical line. So I can draw, let me draw a vertical line. So let me draw a vertical line. So there is it. So now, so here we have what? We have this point. When I'm looking at this object in this direction, I'm looking at it in this direction, I will see this line, I will see this line, and I will see this line. But this line will be hidden from me, and there is another one that we have here. There's another one that we have here that will be hidden from me. So this line and this line will be hidden from me. Why these ones? I will see these ones. Okay, so I'm going to make this line. So this line will be a thick line. So this line will be a thick line. I'll see this line, and this line will also be a thick line. And the one down here, which along this line, it will be hidden from me, or they will be hidden from me. So I make this with short dashes line. Likewise, this to be hidden from me. Because they are under that part, so they are below, so you can't see it. So they've been covered by the upper part of the solid. Okay, so this line will be a thick line. This line will be a thick line. So the line, so we see it under here. This is what I'm talking about. So we see this line under here. We are going to see this line. So and then, so we also see this line. So we also see this line. So we also see this line. Also this line. So we see this line. So as you can see in the diagram, so these 4 lines, we see them, we see this one, we see this, we see this, we see this. So and then we see this line, we see this line here. But this one will be hidden. So the other one that I said it's here, like this. Both of them will be hidden from me, and that is what we have done here. So this is the front elevation, this is the plan, and this is the end elevation for an inclined square pyramid. So all you need to do is to practice this. If you practice, you get it and you master it. And thank you for watching my videos, and thank you for listening. God bless you.